chilling on the dusty road with my friends with the ice cold beer, rolling a smoke with my window down. Yeah, because I'm chilling on a dirt road with my friends, because we load the truck up, hit the dusty dirt road. Yeah, I was raised where the dirt wash off your hands when you learn how to fight before you learn to stand. Yeah, and I don't know where I belong, because I'm in the truck with my friends, telling on the dirt road all day long. Country music never ends, and if I'm not in that truck, chilling on the dirt road. I don't know where else to go when the older I get. The more I think you only get a minute to live while you're in it. So here to the boys back home, drinking dirt roads, beers on the Friday nights. Country music never ends. So I remember driving in my truck with my friends, chilling on the dirt road.